Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some pruning on these two strawberry containers I have here. We've got some leaves that are browning and yellowing that need cut back. We've got some blossoms that either didn't get pollinated or the birds got a hold of them. So if you're interested in seeing what I do to maintain these strawberries, then stay tuned. So all I'm going to do here is look for the spent blossoms and follow that back to the base of the strawberry plant and cut as close to the base of the plant as possible. So as you can see, we have another one here as well as some weeds, so I'm going to take care of those. And then I'm also going to cut these back because for some reason a lot of them bloomed and then didn't produce any fruit. I guess they didn't get pollinated. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of these away so that it can focus on producing more. And then here we have some more that didn't get pollinated, and we have a few leaves that are turning brown and yellow. I'm going to go ahead and prune those back as well. Alright, and then this is what we are left with. Might go ahead and take that one off since it's ripped, but not a big deal. And you don't have to do that to strawberries. You don't have to take away their, like I keep saying spent blooms, but you know what I mean. You don't have to do that. They will keep producing, but I just like to clean up the plant, let it just focus on sending out more fruit. And here is what this one is looking like. Now for the next one, again, I'm just going to take off all of these. Also, anytime that I have leaves that for some reason didn't grow to a very good length, and oh, we got a cucumber beetle. I'll be back. Alright, sorry about that guys. I had to take care of that little guy real quick. But what I was wanting to show you is anytime you have really like short, low growing leaves on your strawberry plants, that just leaves like wet, damp areas for like little critters to hide, like that cucumber beetle you just seen. And you know, there's a lot of pests that like those damp, dark spaces. And not only that, but because it's usually an area that stays damp, you're going to end up with just leaves that rot out like this. So I just go ahead and take those out when I see them. Alright, so I'm all done with this guy. And this is what we're left with here. Alright, well that concludes this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.